quick and easy meal is perfect for you. So why don't you give it a try? Please leave a like, and if it's your first time here, please consider subscribing. Now let's get started. In a medium-sized bowl, add 2 eggs, and don't forget a pinch of salt like I did. Then whisk that together until it's a little bit more pale yellow and a little bit more runny. Then get out your frying pan and spray it with a little bit of non-stick spray or a little bit of canola oil. Then pour your egg mixture straight into the pan and let it sit there for about 10 seconds. Then get out your bread and dip it in on both sides until fully coated. Now get either some cheddar cheese or some mozzarella cheese. You can use whatever you want and put it on one side of the sandwich. Don't put too much, otherwise it will turn into a grilled cheese sandwich like mine did. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like down below and consider subscribing for more cooking and more recipes like this. And I'll see you next time.